Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sydney. Today we are going to talk about an amazing new Poshmark feature that will truly help you improve your business. And then at the end, I'm going to tell you how you can enter to win some amazing prizes in a giveaway that I am doing in collaboration with many other sellers. There are multiple prizes and there will be multiple winners. So make sure you stick around till the end for that. So I want to talk about this new feature that Poshmark has just introduced in their app. If you are new here and you don't know, Poshmark is an app where you can sell clothing, shoes, accessories, brand new makeup, things of that nature. If you want, I will put my code in the description box below and you can sign up if you have not yet signed up to sell on Poshmark. But anyway, they have just introduced this new feature that has been on multiple other platforms for a while, but I don't know why they didn't really introduce this earlier, but I'm super happy that they have it now. And that is their brand new drafts feature. The drafts feature will allow you to start a listing and then enter an info, and then if you need to save it and come back to it later, then it will allow you to do that. So you can return to listings that you have not yet completed. And this is going to be super helpful for those of you who have very limited time during the week to work on Poshmark. And this is going to help you to really plan out more of your Poshmark business in terms of staying consistent with your listing. I talk about this in many of my videos, but consistently listing is probably the thing that will help you the most. Like right now, I've been going through my inventory and trying to sort out and remove old inventory and things of that nature. So I haven't really had as much time to list items. So I have definitely seen my sales suffer because of that. So because of this new drafts feature, I can take one day a week and work on my Poshmark listings and photograph and measure multiple listings a day and then draft them and have them saved in my app, ready to go, ready to list throughout the week. Because it is much better for you to be listing a few things every day than to list a bunch of listings at once and then not list anything else throughout the week. So if you are someone who maybe has a full-time job and maybe Poshmark is your side hustle, or maybe you have multiple other things that you have to do throughout the week, maybe you're a stay-at-home mom and you have kids and they obviously have their own schedules, you can actually take whenever you can find time during your week and you can batch prepare a bunch of things at once to list. So then you can photograph all these things at once and measure them, and you'll have the pictures in your phone and you can sit down and you can list multiple items and save them in your drafts. And then every day during the week, you can go through and you can list a few a day, a few in the morning, a few at night, whenever you have time. It is best to list morning and night. I've seen very good results from listing in the morning, first thing in the morning, and sharing in the morning. You want to share your closet 3 times a day, and if you list in the morning in addition to doing that, I've seen that it helps a lot in terms of my activity throughout the day. So you want to, pick 20 to 30 items that you can list throughout the week, maybe more if you have more time. Just depends, on what level you are at and how much inventory you have. But that way you can prepare these listings and you can have them saved in your phone and ready to go. The drafts feature is also going to help you if, it depends on kind of your style of listing. For me, I like to measure everything at once, and then I like to photograph everything at once. So I don't, measure one thing, photograph it, measure, photograph. I will do a batch of items at one time, and then I will go and photograph those items. So this way, maybe, I'm measuring at night, and that way I can go ahead and measure those items and enter that into my listings. and save them in the app. And then the next day when I photograph the items, I can go ahead and go in and add the photos to the items that I have already written out and measured. And then I can just list them right there, or I can save them and list a few every day. So, you know, this will help you in terms of maybe you don't have time during the day to photograph something, but you do have time and you want to go ahead and kind of, you know, get started whenever you have free time. So this will allow you to go ahead and start entering in, you know, your description, your title, all of that. And then you can go in and add the photos later when you have time, especially if you have to be somewhere else during the day, or you have a job that you maybe get a lunch break and you want to work on Poshmark during your break times. This will help you tremendously. You know, if you have maybe your measurements and stuff written down, and on your lunch break you can go ahead and start working on your listings, and that way when you get home you will already have them saved in your phone, and you can just photograph your stuff and add in the photos, and you're ready to go. You're ready to list your items because you worked on that earlier in the day when you had some free time during the day. So I think this is a really great thing that they have added. This drafts feature, I think it's going to help a lot of people's productivity. It's definitely helping my productivity, because that way whenever I do have some free time, I can go in and enter in some drafts, and then, you know, when I have time to go and photograph and add in the photos later, I can do that. So that way I'm not wasting time, especially if I'm like sitting in a waiting room or waiting, you know, on anything, or if I'm, you know, waiting to meet someone for lunch or something like that, and I want to go ahead and work on something and I'm not wasting time, or maybe I want to take a break from one thing I'm doing and do something else, I can start working on drafts. So I'm super grateful that Poshmark has introduced this new feature. I think it's going to be very, very helpful, especially for those of you who have full-time jobs and you are working towards going full-time on Poshmark, or maybe you just want Poshmark to be your side hustle. But I definitely think it is going to help you a ton. So that is Poshmark's new feature. It is the drafts feature, and I'm really excited about it, and I hope you guys are too, and I hope that it does help you in terms of being able to list more and sort of plan out your Posh routine throughout your day. So that's our little talk about the drafts feature. So now I want to talk about the giveaway that I'm doing. I have collaborated with Love Jen Marie. She has been on Poshmark for a while. I followed her closet for a while, and she reached out to me and asked if I wanted to be a part of this giveaway. It is myself, and there are, I think, 26 other sellers participating in this giveaway, and we all contributed to the prizes. There are tons of prizes, everything from things that you could use for inventory, there's supplies, there's gift items, there's makeup, there's, you know, all kinds of amazing things. There's gift cards to Starbucks and Target. Just everything that you can imagine is a prize in this giveaway. It's crazy. But the giveaway is actually over on my Instagram page at Thrifting Debutante. So make sure you are following me on Instagram and just look for the post that says holiday giveaway, and it has the instructions for you to enter. So make sure you head over to Instagram and check that out so that you'll be entered to win. Lots of great people in this giveaway that you will just absolutely love. So I hope that you'll go enter our giveaway and win something amazing just in time for Christmas. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions for me, definitely leave them down in the comments. Make sure you join my PoshBoss HQ Facebook group. It is linked down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye.